Summer is hitting hard for the residents of Bengaluru and it is making them thirsty. Residents of Greater Bengaluru are facing a huge shortage of water as summer is approaching and BBMP has given up on them. While residents of Greater Bengaluru, especially in areas like Whitefield, R Puram, Horamavu, R Nagar and Mahadevpuram, are struggling to meet their daily needs met. Bengaluru depends on Cauvery water supply of 1,450 million litres per day and receives 700 million litres per day from groundwater resources. Even after that, there is a shortage of 1,650 million litres per day and people living in these parched areas are the ones suffering. Now, since these people are not receiving water from BBMP, who will they depend upon? Now comes a relief to it, water tankers, but even they have their own demands and problems. Water tankers used to cost around 500 rupees for 5,000 litres, but now it has risen up to 2,000 rupees. Now, what we need to keep in mind is that these affected areas consist of people coming mostly from the middle class and lower middle class strata. And with this ongoing economic situation of our society and high rent of Bengaluru, people are finding it hard to spare 2,000 rupees from their monthly budget. And one might think this water tank service is a very fast and quick service. But mind you, it takes nearly 15 days for the water tanker to come to the said location and there might not even be 5,000 litres as promised. Some of the residents of Whitefield even blame the illegally run water services and borewells for this water shortage, while some say this is due to the lack of planning from the government side. This is not just the situation of Bengaluru. Over 200 taluks in Karnataka have declared drought. Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar has stated that there will be further digging of 500 more meters deep into the existing borewell along with the new ones.
More than about 800 crores has been kept with the DC's hands to see that this water problem has been sorted on the plot. Though the central government has not given anything, but we are committed that we should do it. Some MLAs have suggested that there are about 1,500 feet of borewell has been drilled. So now better to go. Yesterday in my Janta Darshan program, to drill the same borewell at 500 meters more. That is also I am exploring the possibility instead of going for the new borewell. Some places we will have new borewell. In some places we will try to drill those old borewell which will go a little bit deeper.
क्या है ना, इधर पानी पहले आई थी, अभी तो एक महीने से ऊपर पानी नहीं मिल रहा है. अगर टैंक लोगों को बुलाएंगे तो वो ज्यादा बोल रहे हैं, 6,000 ऐसा ही पूछ रहा है. हम लोग मिडिल क्लास लोग हैं तो हमारे इतना पानी एवरी डे पूछेंगे तो बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा. पानी नहीं है तो कुछ नहीं कर सकता है ना, सब कुछ पानी के डिपेंड करते हैं ना. तो पानी नहीं है तो सब कुछ ऐसा ही रहेंगे. तो कुछ ना कुछ करेंगे तो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा हम लोगों को. ज्यादा पानी ये मंथली हम लोग सब कुछ खर्चा सब कुछ करेंगे तो इसी हिसाब से करते हैं ना. तो पानी के लिए ज्यादा पैसा चाहिए तो बहुत मुश्किल हो जाए. हमारा एवरी डे ये काम सब कुछ बंद हो जाएगा. पानी पीने के लिए पानी भी हम लोग अभी खरीद कर पानी पीती हूँ. तो बाकी सब के लिए ही पानी चाहिए, खरीद कर करना है तो बहुत मुश्किल है.
Bangalore, home to nearly 1 crore people, a city with water deficiency of 1,650 million litres per day. Water, necessary element that is needed by everyone in their everyday lives, is something that cannot be compromised. The citizens urge the government to look into this issue and solve it as soon as possible. And we urge the citizens to practice water conservation and use water wisely.